For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
My channel is Bambi here again, and if this is your first time seeing me, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and turn on the notification bell. So I am here to do a hair care day, a hair wash routine and all, and I am using the OLAPLEX range of products. I've been using this product for like 2-3 months now, and I can tell the difference in my hair. I did a big chop in September thereabout, and this September of last year. So this is the results of the big chop and me taking very good care of my hair. Started using the repair kit. I bought the smaller sizes, and it comes in this form, and this is the OLAPLEX Intense Repair Kit, and it has the number 3 and the number 0. They are in small sizes. I am out of it because I finished using it for my hair, and I'm planning to buy more, but now I don't need this anymore because my hair is quite healthy. This is the number 3. This is the kit for number 3, and this is the number 0. These are the sizes for the kit. This is the number 3 and this is the number 0, but I'm out of it, so I'm not using that today. But today I just wanted to do the Bond Intense Moisture Mask, which is in the number 8. And this is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. It moisturizes, smooths, adds body shine to all hair types. I've used this before, but I want to use it today since I'm out of the other kit. And the other kit is more like a protein treatment. I have the number 5, which is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. So you use this as any regular conditioner, and it repairs, strengthens, and moisturizes all hair types. And the shampoo, which is the OLAPLEX number 4. And this shampoo helps repair, strengthens, and moisturizes all hair types. So I'll be using this whilst washing my hair, and we'll come back to me using the OLAPLEX number 6, which is a Bond Smoother Leave-In Reparative Styling Cream. Reduces frizz, nourishes and protects your hair. With all that said, the last product I really love from OLAPLEX, I was using it when I had my braids on, and I still keep on using it. I'm almost out. I'm getting a new bottle because I love this oil, and it's the OLAPLEX number 7 bonding oil, and it gives so much shine and nourishment to your hair. I'm almost out of products with the number 7, so we are going to start the whole routine. I want this video to be very quick and educative, so I'm not going to keep long here because we are just doing the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, which is going to be in my hair for like 10 minutes, and then I shampoo and condition and then use my leave-in. That's all. I've already shampooed my hair. Pre-pooing, which I used oils to moisturize my scalp. I do this often when I take out my braids, and I'm now going to use the OLAPLEX number 8, and it says here that apply to clean damp hair mid-length to ends. So we're not going to focus on our roots, we are just going to focus on the mid-length of our hair to the ends of our hair, and use sparingly on the roots. Work through with fingers, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse fully and style as usual. Use weekly for best results. Start with 2 pumps for shoulder length hair. Use more for longer, thicker hair. for fine or short hair. Less for fine or short hair. My hair is full and thick, as you can see in the video, and I'm going to use more than 2 pumps because OLAPLEX products are so intense. The formula is so intense, so you don't need to use more for your hair. That's why it comes in smaller bottles, but I still use more because I feel like I have to feel all the products in my hair when using OLAPLEX. So I'm going to start using this, and if you see me sweating, the light is so hot, but I'm going to start this with my hair and then we'll get into the whole process. First of all, I love to part my hair into 4 sections so I can really regulate how much product I'm putting in my hair. And if the lines are not straight, I am not a hairdresser. I am just trying to show you guys what I do to my hair when I'm shampooing. So I just part my hair in 4 sections and I hold them down with a clip, regulate how much I'm putting in my hair. Next, number 8 focuses on the ends, the mid-length and ends of your hair to really repair and nourish. So I've parted my hair into 4 sections and I'm going to start applying my products in my hair. Your hair has to be damp, so my hair is a bit damp, so I'm going to focus on the mid-length of my hair and then the ends of my hair, and let it stay in my hair for like 10 minutes before I wash it out. This is how the product comes out. I'm using 3 pumps per section and it feels very smooth, very smooth in my hand, and it feels the same way with my hair too. Remember, we are focusing on the mid-length and then the ends of our hair, but if I have any product left, I'm going to use it on the roots of my hair. Don't forget your edges when you're doing this. Applying it, I just twist my hair up and then hold it down with the pin. So 1 section down, another section to go. It feels so silky when you apply it to your hair. It feels so silky. The hair feels beautiful and it defines your curls. For me, using OLAPLEX for like some time now, I can really tell it has defined my curls. When I started like focusing on my natural hair, after relaxing it for so long, I lost my curl pattern, but now I can really feel my hair. I can really tell how my curls are and I love it. So I'm supposed to keep the product in my hair for 10 minutes, but I can keep it on for 15 minutes. I've been keeping it on for longer than 10 minutes, so I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes instead of 10 minutes and then wash it out. So my timer is up, but before I cut off this video and show you another section, I want to talk about this hair supplement I've been taking for some time and I love it and I recommend it if you want to help your hair, nourish your hair to grow as you like. I'm more focused on the density of my hair compared to the length of my hair, so I've been taking this vitamin to help with my hair care journey, and I would love to recommend for you guys if you want to try it. I'm probably sure you can get it in any herbal shop around you, but I got mine from Relish shop in Kumasi, Asida House. But I'm going to find a link to this pill and then link it in the description box below so you can get your hands on it. If you want any supplement that's going to help with your hair, I've tried this and I'm just recommending it for you guys. This pill is the hair care nutrition with biotin and zinc for hair maintenance, and it's the life plan pill. This particular pill, and it's a food supplement. It contains no added sugar, salt, starch, or animal derivatives, and I've been using this for, let's say, 4 months now, and I love it. So if you want to get any supplements for your hair to help you in your hair care growth, you can get this, and it's the hair care nutrition with biotin, zinc for hair maintenance, and it has 60 tablets in the bottle, and the name is Life Plan. So we are going to wait for 15 to 10 minutes and rinse off the number 8. After rinsing out the OLAPLEX number 8, which is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask, I just style my hair. I don't blow dry, I don't apply heat to my hair, I just let it air dry. And the weather is dry, so my hair gets drier quicker. So this is the hair now. I just clean the hair a little, but not all that through. And I comb my hair when I'm conditioning my hair, so I don't comb my hair again. So this is how my hair feels. It feels so soft. It feels very, very, very soft. And this is how my roots looks. After using the number 8, I go in with the number 6. It's a leave-in styling cream, and we are told to apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating products on your mid-length to ends, comb through and style as desired. And in my situation, I'm not going to comb my hair anymore. I'm just going to hold it up in a ponytail and then let it air dry. I'm applying this quantity to my hair. After putting that in my hair, I'm going to add the oil to my hair and then hold it up in a ponytail, and that is all I have to do for my wash day routine. 7. OLAPLEX bonding oil. I'm going to focus that on my roots. My hair feels so soft, so smooth, so lovely. It feels like butter. So with this done, I just hold my hair in a ponytail. So this is how my hair looks. I'm just going to tie my forehead with this band here to absorb the moisture that's going to come out of my hair later on. But so far, that's how I use my OLAPLEX. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in another video. Bye.